Got $100? Great. Now, what if I told you this simple piece of paper could be the start of something big? Whether you're 17 or 40, this video will show you smart, actionable steps to turn this $100 into much more. Stick with me for the next few minutes, and I'll share strategies anyone can use to grow their money today. Let's make it happen. Welcome back to Smart Money with Jim, where we help you save, invest, and grow your hard-earned cash. In my previous videos, I covered how to invest in the stock market and how to save money in 2025. But today, we're starting small. What can you do with just $100? Whether you're looking to invest, save, or even build new skills, I've got you covered. All right, folks, let's talk investing. You might be thinking, $100 isn't enough to get started, but that's where you're wrong. We're living in the age of fintech, and there are more options than ever. Option 1, micro-investing. Platforms like Acorns, Robinhood, and M1 Finance are changing the game. These apps let you invest with spare change, so even if you only have a few bucks to spare each week, you can start building a portfolio. It's like compound interest on steroids. Now, some of you might be a little more adventurous, ready to jump into the stock market. I like your style. With $100, ETFs or exchange-traded funds are your best bet. Think of ETFs like a basket of stocks. You're not putting all your eggs in one basket, you're diversifying. And the best part? They're incredibly affordable. For example, you could throw that $100 into an S&P 500 ETF. That tracks the performance of 500 of the biggest companies in America. Talk about a powerhouse! It's a low-risk way to get your feet wet in the market and watch your money grow. Now, investing in the market isn't the only way to turn that $100 into something bigger. The smartest investors know that knowledge is power. That's right. I'm talking about investing in yourself. Think of it this way. What skills have you always wanted to learn? Coding, graphic design? Maybe you want to master the art of social media marketing? Whatever it is, there's a course out there for you. Platforms like Udemy and Coursera offer incredible courses for under $100. We're talking about world-class instructors, valuable information, and the potential to increase your earning power exponentially. Listen, in today's competitive job market, you need every advantage you can get. Investing in your education is like investing in a high-growth stock. It's bound to pay off big time down the road. Don't underestimate the power of a good book either. Head down to your local bookstore or browse online for titles on personal finance, entrepreneurship, or any field that interests you. Knowledge is the key to unlocking your full potential. Chapter 3. Start a side hustle. All right, are you ready to turn that $100 into a money-making machine? That's right, I'm talking about starting a side hustle. And before you say, Jim, I don't have time for another job, hear me out. We're not talking about anything crazy here. We're talking about simple, low-cost businesses that you can start with just a little bit of capital and a whole lot of hustle. Option 1, reselling. It's all the rage these days, and for good reason. Hit up thrift stores, clearance sales, even online marketplaces, and look for hidden gems. You'd be amazed at what people are selling for pennies on the dollar. Once you've snagged some sweet deals, it's time to resell those bad boys for a profit. Platforms like eBay and Facebook Marketplace are your new best friends. With a little bit of effort, you can easily double or even triple your initial investment. Now, if you're more of a service-oriented entrepreneur, I've got you covered too. Think about the skills you have to offer. Can you wash a car like nobody's business? Are you a social media guru? Maybe you've got a knack for graphic design. Whatever your talent, there's someone out there willing to pay for it. Use that $100 to create some eye-catching flyers or invest in basic tools of the trade. Word of mouth is powerful, so tell your friends, family, and neighbors about your new venture. Chapter 4. Save smartly. Now, I know what some of you are thinking. Jim, I'm not ready to invest or start a business. I just want to be responsible with my money. And you know what? That's fantastic. Building a solid financial foundation is crucial, and it all starts with saving. That $100? That's the seed of your emergency fund, folks. Now, I'm not talking about stashing it under your mattress. We're going to put that money to work. Open a high-yield savings account and watch your money grow while you sleep. These accounts offer a higher interest rate than traditional savings accounts, so you're actually earning money on your savings. It's a win-win. Having an emergency fund gives you peace of mind, knowing that you're prepared for unexpected expenses. It's like having a financial safety net, so you can navigate life's ups and downs with confidence. And hey, if you want to dive deeper into smart saving strategies, be sure to check out my video on how to save money in 2025. I've got you covered with tips tailored to this year's economic landscape. Outrow, make that money work. There you have it, folks. 4 incredible ways to turn that $100 into something much bigger. Remember, it's not about the amount of money you have, it's about making smart choices and taking action. Whether you're investing, building skills, starting a side hustle, or saving, every dollar counts. So, what are you waiting for? Take that $100 and put it to work. The possibilities are endless, and the time to start is now. Remember, in the words of the great investor Warren Buffett, someone's sitting in the shade today because someone planted a tree a long time ago. Go out there and plant your financial seeds and watch your wealth grow.